Hey everyone, good morning. And I just wanted to take a few minutes here and share with you some really fabulous ideas for the guy in your life for the holiday gifts that are coming up. As you know, my husband makes knives, so I just wanted to share some of them with you. This one is one that he has made. It's got that Damascus steel. I don't know if you can see that, but all of that really cool lines and things in the steel. Very plain handle, very pretty handle. Fits real nice in your hand. And just so you know that all of his blades come with a sheath that are made specifically for this knife. That makes sure that they fit really good. One of my favorite knives that he made was this one, because you can see the eyeballs in the blade. He did that by acid etching. I think this is really cool. It is on both sides, and that's what the handle looks like. Nice and brass. It's a heavy knife. Again, it fits real good in your hand. One of his favorites right now are these little saw blade knives. Look at that. That's actually one of his little saw blades. And this is a little guy. I think he said this is cedar. And it's just a little guy. Doesn't quite make the 3 fingers, but it also has a sheath. And here's another little guy. I really like the wood on that one. If you can see it, it's got all these like light and dark areas, and on the blade you can see that he's done a little bit of acid etching on the blade as well. This is another Damascus style blade. Guys really like Damascus style. It's a very heavy duty type of metal. But this is California buckeye wood, and he used a CNC machine to kind of carve out this really cool design in it. Another one of my favorites is his leopard blade. Look at that. And then he's used this wood. I wish I knew what all the names of the woods are. I don't know what they are, but this one's really cool. And look at how he dealt with putting the shank in there. Isn't that cool? And a big, where is that? A big saw blade. Isn't that fun? Just a bigger. If you look at it, he's got some colors going on, red and black and white. And let me get in close. Let's look at the pins. Aren't those fun? I don't know if I can get that to zoom in, but the pins are really kind of fun. So like I said, each one of these comes with a sheath. On his sheaths, they're all form-fitted to fit exactly the knife. They're pretty tight right now because he form-fitted it to them, but it will lighten up a little bit with use. And all of the stitching is all hand-stitched. He really takes pride in his work, so I hope that you will check him out on his Etsy store. And as a special bonus, if you use the coupon code Emily, that's E-M-I-L-Y, during checkout at Etsy, you'll save 20 bucks. We'll take 20 bucks off of that knife. Or if you're local and you want to look at them and come on in, if you tell me that Emily sent you, I'll give you 20% off, I mean $20 off here. Thanks.